Hi everyone, welcome to Papercraft. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a Toy Chica mask from Five Nights at Freddy's. Remember, we have lots of other masks available on the channel. First, download the PDF with the templates. The link is in the description. The quickest way to work is by printing the templates directly onto colored cardstock. But if you prefer, you can print them on regular paper and then glue the pieces onto colored cardstock. A third option is to use the templates that already include color. If you choose those, you'll only need white cardstock for printing. There's also a smaller version of the templates, perfect for kids. To make this mask, you'll need a bit of white cardstock, some fuchsia, a little black, 2 sheets of orange, and 6 sheets of yellow cardstock. You'll also need 4 pairs of small magnets and a bit of black translucent fabric. Here are the pieces. These 2 pieces will be white, these 2 circles will be fuchsia, and these pieces from the first page will be black. The pieces on pages 2 and 3 will be orange, and from page 4 onward, the pieces will be yellow. Besides cutting out each piece, you'll also need to fold along the lines. If you don't remember how to fold them, here's a short video showing how to do it correctly. With all the pieces ready, we can begin building. We'll start with pieces numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll join piece 2 to piece 1 like this. Glue the tabs section by section to get the best results when putting the pieces together. With these 4 pieces, we'll create the 3 feathers on top of Toy Chica's head. To complete this part, attach piece 3 the same way as piece 2. Piece 4 will help finish the center feather. Next, we'll move on to pieces 5, 6, and 7. Begin by shaping the tabs on piece 6, then attach piece 5. Add piece 7 in the center of the previous pieces, and then glue piece 6 to continue forming the right side of the mask. Then we'll use pieces 8 and 9. With these, we'll build the left side of the mask just like we did with the right side. Glue the tabs on piece 9, attach piece 8 to the mask, and then join both sides together. Now we'll use pieces 10, 11, 12, and 13. These pieces form the center of the face, creating both eyes and the mouth. Start by joining pieces 10, 11, and 12. Then add piece 13 to form the mouth. Once Toy Chica's face is complete, attach it slowly to the center of the mask until it fits perfectly with the rest of the pieces. Pieces 14 and 15 are Chica's eyebrows. Attach piece 14 to the right side and piece 15 to the left. Then simply glue a circle onto each cheek like this. Pieces 18 and 19 are the teeth, so glue them onto Toy Chica's mouth, piece 18 on the top and piece 19 on the bottom. Now we'll build Chica's beak. Glue all the tabs of piece 20 to form the top part of the beak. Once it's ready, attach piece 21 to the part we just formed. Glue the black circles onto the top of the beak like this. Continue with pieces 22 and 23 to create the lower beak. Add glue to piece 22 to shape it, then attach it to piece 23. Next, we'll use a few small magnets. Glue one magnet to each side of the inside of the upper beak. Then glue two more magnets inside the mask, placing them exactly where you want the beak to attach. Repeat the process for the lower beak. Glue one magnet on each side of the lower beak and another magnet on each side of the inside of the mask. Make sure the magnets line up exactly where you want this part of the beak to sit. To finish, we'll use two small squares of translucent fabric for the eyes. Apply glue around the inside edges of the eye openings and place a square of black translucent fabric on each one like this. And that's it! Here's how our completed Toy Chica mask looks. Remember, you can support this content by joining Momuscraft Premium, where you can download any template from the channel with no ads. Thank you so much for watching.